Do you want to browse in peace without anyone knowing you're active? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to appear offline on Messenger, even when you're actually online. Let's start by opening the Messenger app, and this step is the same on both iPhone and Android devices. So, open Messenger, make sure you're logged into the correct Messenger account, and then let's tap on these three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, after which I'll click on Settings. The next page which I'm looking for is this Privacy and Safety, so let's tap here. And then scroll a bit down towards the bottom until you find this section called What People See. There are two options which we need to turn off. The first one is this active status. So it says here, show when you're active, and let's turn this switch off. What this does is it hides the little green dot next to your name, so no one can see when you're online or when you were last active. You'll still be able to send and receive messages like normal, but you won't see other people's active status either, since it works both ways. Basically, it lets you use Messenger without showing that you're online. One more thing is to go back, open the Read Receipts, and then turn this feature off as well. You can then browse Messenger, and you can open the messages that the other person sends to you, and they won't be able to see that you've read or opened the message. Just keep in mind that this works both ways, so you won't be able to see that somebody opened and read your message when you send it to them. But that's how we can appear offline on Messenger, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you soon.